Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Homemade lemonade. These amazing lemons were a gift, and now I'm gonna make lemonade out of it. First, I'm gonna cut them all in half. And you all know the phrase, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And I used about 12 lemons, I think. They're really delicious. Now we're gonna squeeze all the lemon juice out. I took a pan, a colander, and this thing. You can really squeeze it out with that. Let's start squeezing. Really stick it in there and try to make a turning motion. It really goes well. You need all the juice you can get. The colander really helps because all the seeds will come out and you don't want to have that in your lemonade. Here's a little close-up from the tool. You see, it really works great. All the squeezing is done. Shake off the excess. Now look at that, lemon juice. But it's not done yet. We're also gonna need some lemon zest. So I think 1 lemon will be enough. And really scratch it off. And there you have it, lemon zest. And I think it's about 2 tablespoons. Now I got some ginger. And I'm gonna cut it into slices. And we're gonna boil that with our lemon juice. I also gonna cut up some more lemon, but for decoration purposes. And extra flavor, of course. Now let's start cooking the lemon juice. First the lemon zest. And I put it on medium heat, not too hot. You don't want it to get burned. Now 2 cups of white sugar. I think it's about 400 grams. I also put in 500 milliliters of water. Now the ginger. And this needs to boil or simmer at low heat for about 45 minutes. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. But hey, it's gonna be delicious. Look at that. It's starting to thicken. And that's what we want. And it smells really delicious. And this is how it looks after 45 minutes of simmering. A little lemon syrup. Oh, it's so delicious. Now we're gonna strain the syrup. We don't want the ginger or the lemon zest in it. We want it to be clear. And really get all the juices out. I really had a hard time of thinking how to present this, so I made this. I used some ice. And I made it for 2. Some delicious cookies with it. I poured in most of the syrup in the big bowl. That's for later. I put in about 40 milliliters of the syrup in each glass. It will be enough. It's sweet already. I poured in some bubbling or sparkling water. I did the same for the glasses. more sparkling water. Put in some lemon wedges to finish it off. And in the big bowl, of course, there goes a lot of lemon wedges in. Put the lid on and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, homemade lemonade, really delicious. Proost, we say in Dutch. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Thank you for watching. I hoped you liked my homemade lemonade. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. And don't forget to hit that like button and the bell.